Videonun 4. serisiyle kaldığımız yerden devam ediyoruz. Hadi hemen başlayalım. Make yourself useful. Bir işe yara.
Make yourself useful and draw me some damn money.
Why don't you go make yourself useful?
Make yourself useful.
Come in handy. İşe yaramak.
Yeah, that'll come in handy.
Might come in handy.
Come in handy someday.
Cough it up. Sökül bakalım.
Cough it up. Fine.
Cough it up.
Don't move a muscle. Kımıldama.
Don't move a muscle.
Sit yourself someplace and don't move a muscle till I get back.
Don't move a muscle.
Take it slow. Ağırdan al.
Take it slow, don't run.
Take it slow.
But take it slow.
Knock it off. Kes şunu.
Knock it off.
Knock it off, okay?
Knock it off.
Watch your mouth. Laflarına dikkat et.
Young lady, watch your mouth.
Watch your mouth and help me with the sale.
Hey, watch your mouth.
So be it. Öyle olsun.
If you want me to die in this desert, then so be it. If you want to take Helen back to Sparta, so be it.
So be it.
Hang in there. Sık dişini, dayan.
You hang in there.
Hang in there.
Hang in there.
Bugger off. Taze ol.
I guess I should bugger off.
Bugger off.
Bugger off.
Play the victim. Mağduru oynamak.
People think you play the victim.
Never seen you play the victim before.
Play the victim and you will be the victim.
That's a given. Allah'ın emri.
That's a given. That's a given. And that's a given.
I'm not buying that. Kanmıyorum, bunu yemiyorum.
I'm not buying that crap anymore.
No, I'm not buying that. Nope, I'm not buying that.
There is a first time for everything. Her şeyin bir ilki vardır.
Well, there is a first time for everything.
There is a first time for everything.
There's the first time for everything.
That's the way the cookie crumbles. Hayat böyledir.
That's the way the cookie crumbles.
And that's the way the cookie crumbles.
And that's the way the cookie crumbles.
Rest assured. İçiniz rahat olsun.
Oh, well, rest assured it was equally as thrilling for me.
We will, rest assured, follow up on this.
Rest assured, child.
Serinin devamı için lütfen takip etmeyi, beğenmeyi ve yorum yapmayı unutmayın. Serinin önceki kısımlarını izlemeyenler ise açıklama kısmına bıraktığım link üzerinden bir göz atabilirler.